Thank you for contacting Verisure. We have confirmed your appointment when one of our friendly security experts will visit your home to carry out a free personalized security study. They will do a full risk assessment on your home, which will highlight vulnerable access points and camera blind spots that you should be aware of. During your appointment, the security expert will explain everything clearly so that you are able to decide what protection is best for your home. With Verisure, we protect every corner of the home. Shock sensors detect immediately if someone forces a door or window. Our cameras immediately upload photos straight to our alarm receiving center, where security experts assess your threat. And here is something very important. Our cameras are only activated when your alarm is triggered. You can have your alarm installed the same day. We install everything for you, making sure your home is fully covered. Once the alarm is installed, our security expert will show you how to activate and deactivate your alarm, making sure you are confident with it before they leave. We are here if you have any questions at all. Please contact us through email or the phone number on our website.